Are you tired of contracts, data caps, and those overpriced cable bills that somehow get more expensive every year? T-Mobile's 5G home internet promises something different. Fast wireless broadband with zero hidden fees. But does it actually deliver on all that hype? Let's break it down. T-Mobile's 5G home internet is a wireless home broadband service powered entirely by their 5G network. That means no cables, no technician visits, and no messy installations. They send you a single modem, router combo, and the setup is about as simple as it gets. Plug it in, connect through the app, and you're online in just a few minutes. It's one of the easiest setups out there. Now, let's talk about speeds, because that's what everyone really cares about. Performance varies depending on your location and how strong the local 5G coverage is, but most users report download speeds ranging from around 100 to 300 megabits per second, with uploads typically between 10 and 30 megabits per second. For streaming, browsing, YouTube, video calls, and even casual gaming, that's more than enough. The only caveat is ping. Because this runs on mobile towers instead of traditional fiber lines, latency can fluctuate. If you're a competitive gamer who needs ultra-stable ping, this isn't going to outperform a wired fiber connection. Since it relies on nearby cell towers, performance can dip during peak hours or if a tower gets congested. For most people, the connection stays reliable enough for everyday use, but if you work from home and absolutely require perfect uptime, it's a good idea to test it during their trial period before fully committing. Now, for the pricing, which is honestly where T-Mobile shines. It's a flat $50 a month with autopay. That includes the equipment, includes taxes, includes everything. No annual contracts, no price hikes after a year, and no data caps. It's refreshingly straightforward, especially compared to traditional ISPs that love hiding fees in fine print. Who is this ideal for? Renters, students, digital nomads, and anyone sick of dealing with cable companies. If you live in a city or suburb with solid T-Mobile coverage, it can be a fantastic alternative. But if you're in a rural area with weak signal or you depend on fiber-grade reliability, then this might not be the best fit. So the bottom line, T-Mobile's 5G home internet is a strong option for casual to moderate users who want simple, affordable, and fast enough internet without the headaches of traditional providers. It won't beat fiber, but it offers great value for the price. Thinking of switching? Drop your zip code in the comments and I'll let you know what kinds of speeds people near you are getting. And if this helped, make sure to like the video and subscribe for more real-world tech reviews. Thanks for watching. Happy staying safe.